Hi, I'm Lawrence Martin from Black Swan Training, and I'd like to show you one of Microsoft's secrets that is visible in plain sight. Everyone should know about this. This little row of buttons is the Quick Access Toolbar, and it's your best friend in Excel, Word, and all the Microsoft applications. I'm going to show you how to add commands to it and explain why it's so useful. Firstly, how to add commands. Click this drop down arrow and you'll get a list of further commands that you can add, like Quick Print. Quick Print prints one copy of the whole document to the default printer. Who doesn't want to save themselves the file, print, awkward 3 clicks that you normally have to do? What else is there? So on the drop down we've also got Print Preview. That's just as handy as Quick Print, and all these others. I always recommend you add all of these. Unfortunately, the menu closes each time, so it's a bit repetitive, but once it's done, it's permanently done. These icons are useful enough, but what makes the Quick Access Toolbar really useful is this. It's always visible. When you switch to a different tab, the commands on those tabs are revealed, but the commands on the original tab are hidden until you click back again. But the Quick Access Toolbar is always visible regardless of which tab you're in. So you don't have to keep going backwards and forwards to give the commands you want. Better still, we can add any command we want to it. Simply right click the command on the ribbon and add to Quick Access Toolbar. And there you have it. I do that with any command I use more than once. So that's right click and add to Quick Access Toolbar. I've run out of space now, but I want to add more commands. So I'm going to right click the Quick Access Toolbar and choose Show Below the Ribbon. And that puts it here. Now I've got the full width of the screen, but it's also that much closer to my work and I think clearer too. So now I can add other ones. And sometimes I need to be a bit clever with how I right click. Right clicking the face of the auto sum button just gives you auto sum. But if you right click the drop down that goes with it and add that to the Quick Access Toolbar, you get both. You get the drop down as well. But if there are buttons that you want to get rid of, can you guess how to remove them? Of course, you can just simply right click and remove from Quick Access Toolbar and it's gone. So do make sure you take advantage of this tool to speed up what you do. It's available in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook and all Microsoft desktop apps. Use the drop down to add the basic commands and then right click to add to the Quick Access Toolbar. If you have questions about this or any other aspects of Microsoft, email me at info@blackswantraining.co.uk.